is replacing the rear brake pads. So first things first, you take out the tire. This is a 2013 E-Class. So what you do, you bring in your flat, you just put like in here like this, then you squeeze it all the way, and then you see guys, the size here inside is very small, like it goes all the way. Guys, to take this guy right here, you just push like this, and then you just push, and then you hold it, and it comes like that. And this comes like that, guys. You can put it on the side. What I do next, guys, after doing that, making sure everything, you just come here, you push this thing like this, just take this cover, it's a cup. There's another one on the lower side, take this one out like this too. This guy comes out, and guys, when you come inside like this, you check it out from here. You see, that's like Torx. This Allen key 7. You use it to open it up. All right, let's do it. So guys, this is Allen key 7. You just come like that. You put in like that, right there, and then you open it. You do that for the lower side. So that's that. You do that for the top. Alright, there we go, guys. Okay, alright guys, that thing is loose. You just take it out like that, push it out like this, comes like this, guys. You have this one right in. What you do, you just pull it like that, push it from both sides, this thing comes out, and just throw that one out. And then the remaining one, guys, you just pull it out from here, just like it just comes straight. Put it here, and then this one, guys, don't let it hang, just put it on top here, just let it rest on top so it doesn't put pressure on this thing. That should be good to go.